I love the look of the solo seat. I wanted to be able to have the solo seat look, but yet when my hot wife wanted to go ahead and ride on it with me, I wanted to be able to go ahead and put the passenger seat and Sissy Bar on. Here's how we do it. Check this out, guys. Look, come over here. Whoop. Get your bad Mustang seat out. Got your little thumb screw right here, little thumbage. You don't even gotta look in here. If you just eyeball, you know, what looks centered up, just shove it right in. Put the thumb screw in right back here. Look how thick that little bad boy is. Thing's awesome. All right, so after you get your seat on, so you get your Sissy Bar out, go ahead. Get your big bag Griffzilla Garage Edition snap on. Woo! Quarter inch drive out and take your T27s out. Go ahead and start grabbing your quick release brackets. Put your quarter inch ratchet away. Go ahead, throw the Sissy Bar on. All right, guys, I hope that helped you out. So look, if you got one of these style seats that have the holes in the back and you want to notch it out, check out the link below for the video I did on how to do that. If you want to send it to me, I can notch it out. And hey, if you need the quick release Sissy Bar brackets, I'll put a link in the description for these guys. They were on Etsy. I don't remember the name, but they had excellent customer service, and this works great. So, look, do you need help with anything else? Don't hesitate to reach out to me.